Okay, guys, let's talk about solving one and two-step equations. So an equation is a sentence when you have two sides and you want to make sure that they're equal. When we solve equations, we need to think about our operations because when we solve, we have to go backwards. We have to do everything backwards. So, for example, let me move this for a second. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We need to know each one's opposite. The opposite of addition, to undo it, is subtraction. The opposite of subtraction is addition. To undo multiplication, we do division, and to undo division, we do multiplication. So these are going to be important as we solve. Let's look at an example here. Where's my face? Where did I go? Okay. Let's say I want to solve for m here. I want to know what is the value of m. So I need to get it all by itself. Why is it not by itself right now? Well, I have plus 12. In order to get rid of this plus 12, I'm going to subtract it. I'm adding, so I undo it. But whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So this is going to cancel out the 12. I have the m left. Then I do 10 minus 12. That's negative 2. M is equal to negative 2. And I can check my work. If I put negative 2 in for m, I have negative 2 plus 12 equals 10. Negative 2 plus 12 is 10. 10 equals 10. Good job. If I look at the second one, I want to get g by itself. I have minus 9, so let me add 9 to both sides. That gets rid of the 9. I have g. Negative 2 plus 9, that's 7. So my final answer is g equals 7. Here I have negative 7, y equals negative 91. I want to get the y by itself. Let's make that clear. I want the y by itself. Right now, what am I doing? I have multiplication. I have negative 7 times y equals negative 91. How do I get rid of the negative 7 if it's multiplying? I'm going to divide. I have to divide both sides by negative 7. That means this is going to go away. I have the y's left. Negative 91 divided by negative 7. That's going to be positive 13. I can check my work. Negative 7 times 13 is negative 91. Let's see. Yes, it is. It works. Okay, in this example, I want the a by itself. How do I get a by itself? Well, I'm dividing here, right? This is division. So in order to get rid of the division, I have to multiply. That's the opposite. This will cancel it out. I have the a left all by itself. And then I have negative 4 times 9 is negative 36. Let me check. Negative 36 divided by 9 is negative 4. Yes, negative 4 equals negative 4. It worked. Okay, let's look at some two-step equations here. Okay, my goal, I want to get the variable by itself. What do I have to do first? I have to get rid of this plus 8 to start. So I'm going to subtract 8. That's going to go away. I have 6x equals 42. And now I have 6 times x. I have to divide to get rid of the 6. So I get x is equal to 7. Let's see here. I want to get the n by itself. I have to get rid of the minus 5 and the 2. Well, first I'm going to add 5. That's 16. And then I have the 2n. Okay, I'm multiplying, right? This is multiplication, so I'll divide to get the n by itself. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, here I have this k. I want to get the k by itself. Well, I have plus 9 and then the negative 4. Let me subtract 9 from both sides. 13 minus 9 is 4. And now I have times negative 4, so I'm going to divide by negative 4. I get k equals negative 1. Okay, and one more example. I want to get the y by itself. Okay? What do I have to do first here? Well, I have to get rid of this 7. This is a positive 7. Okay? So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. 34 minus 7 is 27. And then I still have the negative 3y. Now I have negative 3 times y. I need to get rid of the negative 3. I'm going to divide by negative 3. My y is equal to negative 9. Let's look at these two examples real quick. So I have x plus 11 divided by 8 is negative 3. What do I have to get rid of first? Well, I need to get rid of the division first. I'm dividing, so how do I do that? To cancel that, I'm going to multiply by 8. So what do I have left? I have x plus 11 equals negative 24. Now I just have to subtract the 11 from both sides. I get x equals negative 35. Again, here I have 8 minus 13 divided by negative 6. I want to cancel the negative 6. I'm going to multiply by negative 6 on both sides. I get negative 6 equals a minus 13. Now I'm going to add 13 to both sides. Negative 6 plus 13, that'll give me 7. A is equal to 7.